Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a simple step-by-step guide on how to change your user ID on TurboTax in 2025. Whether you've forgotten your old ID or just want a fresh start, this tutorial will walk you through the entire process quickly and securely. So stick around till the end. First, open your web browser and go to the official TurboTax website. Always make sure you're on the correct site to keep your account safe. Next, click on Sign In at the top right corner. Enter your current user ID and password. If you've forgotten your login details, don't worry. TurboTax offers easy account recovery options right here. Once you're logged in, head over to the TurboTax home area and find the Intuit account option. This is where all your account settings are managed. Inside your Intuit account, click on Sign In and Security. This section controls all your login information, including your user ID and password. Now, locate the user ID option and click on it. Here you can type in your new user ID. Remember, this is important. Your new ID should be unique, but easy to remember. TurboTax may have specific rules for user IDs, like character limits or restrictions on symbols and numbers. Make sure to follow these requirements carefully to avoid errors. After entering your new user ID, don't forget to save the changes. Once saved, log out, and then log back in to make sure your new user ID works perfectly, and that's it. You've successfully changed your TurboTax user ID in just a few simple steps. If this tutorial helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more quick guides to make managing your finances easier. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.